In 2025, smart homes were supposed to reach their peak. More intelligence, more automation, less friction. Instead, many users experienced the opposite. Lights turning on at the wrong time, thermostats ignoring schedules, voice assistants misunderstanding simple commands, and systems that were once reliable becoming unpredictable. Today we're breaking down how AI, ironically, broke the smart home, what went wrong under the hood, and what this means for the future of consumer technology. For over a decade, smart homes were built on rules-based automation. If motion is detected, turn on the lights. If it's 10 p.m., lock the doors. If the temperature drops, raise the heat. Simple, predictable, reliable. Then came the AI upgrade. Instead of fixed rules, companies began introducing AI agents, systems designed to understand intent, learn behavior, and make decisions autonomously. The promise was compelling. Your home wouldn't just respond, it would anticipate. But that shift came with hidden costs. The biggest change wasn't hardware. It was decision-making authority. Smart homes stopped asking, "What rule should I follow?" and started asking, "What do I think the user wants?" AI systems began, inferring intent from partial data, overriding user-defined routines, optimizing for efficiency instead of preference, relying heavily on cloud-based reasoning. In theory, this made homes smarter. In practice, it made them less predictable. Here's where things started to fall apart. First, intent misinterpretation. AI models are probabilistic. They guess. And in a smart home, a wrong guess isn't abstract. It's physical. A light turns off during a meeting. A door locks when it shouldn't. Heating systems ignore manual overrides. Second, over-automation AI systems tried to optimize everything. But users didn't want optimization. They wanted control. Many homes became trapped in feedback loops where manual actions were corrected by AI. User preferences were overwritten. Custom routines stopped triggering consistently. Third, latency and cloud dependency. As more intelligence moved to the cloud, basic actions slowed down. Simple commands now depended on internet connectivity, server availability, AI model response time. When those failed, the home failed. This isn't just a consumer inconvenience. It's a design failure with broader implications. For beginners, it created frustration and distrust. For power users, it removed fine-grained control. For professionals, it exposed a core flaw in AI deployment. The lesson is critical. Intelligence without reliability is not progress. In mission-critical systems, homes, cars, healthcare, predictability matters more than novelty. The real issue wasn't AI itself. It was how AI was integrated. Many companies prioritized autonomy over transparency, reduced manual fallback options, treated users as data points instead of decision makers. Good AI should assist, not override. The smartest system is not the one that makes the most decisions. It's the one that knows when not to. The future of smart homes won't be less intelligent, but it will be more restrained. Expect to see hybrid systems combining rules and AI, clear user override controls, local processing over cloud dependency, AI designed around trust, not surprise. The takeaway is simple. Technology should feel invisible when it works, and respectful when it doesn't. And in 2025, smart homes reminded us that smarter isn't always better. If you want clear, honest breakdowns of where technology is going and where it's going wrong, you're in the right place. This is WaveTech Channel.